Hey guys, what's going on? Jason with Auto Addiction. Hey, I just want to do a video real quick on my buddy's truck. I just put all rock lights underneath it. So if you guys have a Sierra or you have a truck you're looking to put rock lights on, this is what I suggest you doing. Wire them up the way he did them. So we got rock lights, wired them all up in here. They're just LED rock lights. Things are pretty bright. I turned them on and off in the entry of the video. These fender liners are real nice because they just come out. You got screws so you can pull the fender liner out, bolt it up in there. What he did too, when he ran the wire for him, is each rock light he put different connectors inside the wheel well, which makes it nice. That way if you ever need to remove the wheel well, you can disconnect the connector and unplug it. It's got plugs just like this that he bought inside here, so you can just disconnect them, reconnect them. Here's one right here actually, so I don't know if you guys can pick that up on video, but nice clean install. He's still doing it right now, so. And then we're gonna go through, he just put all Fox shocks on it, front and rear. It's a 2-wheel drive, but it's lifted about 9 inches in the front, probably like 7 inches in the back. Change out the upper control arms, so thing sits real nice whenever it's level. Your upper control arms pretty much straight across, so you want to make sure that his steering angles and stuff are all still straight. The lift itself, it's by Superlift. It's got a cradle drop bracket, so fully adjustable coils, so you can actually raise it up a little bit more if you wanted to by turning that coil, or change the ride, stuff like that. So we're gonna go through tonight, and I don't know if you guys have used POR 15 before, but we're gonna go through tonight. POR 15, it's like a rust resistor paint, and we're gonna go through and paint all this. Hold on one second, let me turn the lights on. Alright, so we're gonna go through and paint all the suspension. Of course, with no lights on there, you don't pay attention to it, but especially the GM frames are real bad. They only put like this wax coating on the frames now, which sucks because it rubs off and then it starts to rust. So here's this nice new control arm, looks all nice and black, and then, you know, starts to look like crap all around here. So we're gonna paint all that, paint all his spindles and stuff, make it look all nice. So he even put rock lights right there on his running boards, that way at nighttime lights up his running boards. And then we're gonna repaint the rear diff, all that, make it look nice and black. So he's got his 2 lights in there. Another cool thing he did is when you put the truck in reverse now, there's a diode you can wire into your tow mirrors. So that light right there, the corner of the tow mirror, will turn on when you put it in reverse. So it looks freaking sweet. It like lights up. That lights up, these light up, and the cargo light lights up when you put it in reverse. So it makes the whole back of the truck bright. So there's the lights on the other fender well. So yeah, I was talking in my video the other day, you know, just about doing stuff right. So if you guys just take the extra time, I mean, it might take us a couple hours to paint. You know, we're gonna paint the frame all in here, make it look nice and gloss black, just to make the truck look real nice underneath. That way when you have these lights on, it just makes it look presentable, you know? You don't wanna have lights underneath your truck and then have your frame look like crap, so. Alright man, we're gonna get to work and I'll try to put a picture in of what it looks like when one section is done. Alright guys, so I got this control arm done. I don't know if you can see how glossy it looks. Looks pretty nice compared to this one over here. I know it's kind of hard to see with the lighting, but it's definitely an improvement with that POR 15. Suspension all painted right there. So let that stuff tack up for 20-30 minutes and then go back and like touch up some spots. And then I still got to do the different knuckle right there, but yeah, look at that control arm. You see it from here. Still got to do the tie rod end, but look at the difference between the tie rod end and the knuckle, or the lower control arm. So definitely going to make a difference. Try to shoot it from over here. So yeah, if you look at that control arm, see how dull it looks. So yeah guys, just do that little stuff, man. POR 15. Get in all kinds of colors now. I think you can even get it in clear and stuff, so this stuff's pretty sweet. I haven't used it too much, but read a lot of good things on it and figured I'd give it a shot. So alright guys, hope this helps somebody out. If you guys can, please hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Growing. I think we're almost at 170 just subscribers so far, so that's pretty sweet. I gotta hit that 1,000 benchmark, man. So if you guys are watching, if you have a friend that watches YouTube, you know, he's not totally into my channel, if each one of you guys at 167 subscribers, if I get each one of you guys that get 5 friends that come on, that'd be awesome, man. I'll get to that goal in no time. So appreciate everybody watching again. Please hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to the channel. If you guys got any comments, drop them below and I'll get back to you. Appreciate it. See you on the next one.